Hello, I'm Dr. Darin Detwiler, author, professor, and food safety expert. Today, I'd like to talk about one very specific example of the food safety gap, specifically the discord between what cGMP says and what FDA Food Compliance gives. Did you know the current good manufacturing practice states gloves used for food handling must be in an intact, clean, and sanitary condition and made from impermeable material? They shouldn't have any holes or any form of contamination. However, FDA compliance for food handling is a chemical migration test only and does not test for glove performance or holes or even bioburden. When we talk about measuring a company's food safety culture, even something is often overlooked, such as the type and quality of gloves, provides a true glimpse of how companies prioritize and invest in food safety.